Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add the US30 on MetaTrader 4. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 4 software and go to Market Watch. If you can't see Market Watch here, just go to View and click on it, Market Watch, as you can see here. Okay. Now let's go back. On the Market Watch, on your mouse, click on the right click and go to Symbols. Okay, click on it. Then go to Indices group, this one. Click on it. And as you can see here, we have the US 30, US Wall Street 30 index, this one. And you must be connected with your broker. Okay, because if you aren't connected with your broker, most likely you won't find the US 30 here. Okay, so click on it one time and click on show symbol. Okay, after that click on OK. Now as you can see here, we have the US 30 here. So drag it and drop it on the chart. Okay, so this is the US 30. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.